Carlos, thank you for joining us today. You're the most experienced CVC in Brazil. How can Brazil further encourage entrepreneurs and investment through corporate venturing?
Indeed, when we started way back when, it was very slim pickings in terms of opportunities. It's phenomenal, the transformation we've seen over the last decade. The entrepreneurs are much more qualified, the ecosystem is much richer. We have basically funds across the entire continuum. Of course, there's areas for improvement, but in general, we see a very healthy and vibrant ecosystem. So corporations can get in. It's a great time to get in because you have a significant critical mass. You have quite a bit of activity. You have companies that are maturing with clear product, clear customers, value proposition, and they can get involved. They can, help them further grow through equity investments, and they can help them further grow through, partnerships, helping open channels for them, open doors for them, so that they can, benefit strategically, and they can continue to drive the ecosystem growth.
How attractive are the market conditions for corporate venturing in Brazil currently? And what's the future looking like as well?
Sure. So it's no news. We've had a tough few years, rough years in Brazil. The political system today, the situation is much better, and we're seeing the economy bounce back up, right? So we're still seeing, the tech companies all weathered very well through the period, and they've actually grown more robust. So now that we see the clouds moving away, we think that they will grow significantly faster. We think capital will come in. So and they're still, very, very, compared to other markets, very inexpensive on a relative basis. So it's really, in my view, very, very attractive.
And you said earlier that now was the perfect time for entry.
Yeah. I do believe so. I think it's, again, you've got critical mass, you have strong investors, you have strong opportunities, companies that have received sort of de-risked, right? And it's great for a corporate to come in and actually support companies that are already at a stage where they can interact with corporates. One of the challenges, obviously, if a corporate gets in too early, right, where the company is still trying to define product, define business model, etc., they may not be able to help the company as much. In fact, they may, given their speed that's typically a little slower, etc., they may hurt the company, right? But with the companies now, there are, past Series B, and we have a good dearth of those companies. It's a great time for them to get in.
Yeah, it sounds like the potential is huge. Carlos, thank you very much.
Thank you.